Right, time I did one of those. Window regulator. It's not going up because there's a track on it that's rusted to bits. So I need to replace it. So I've taken off door card, taking out this panel. This one is silica flexed in. I'll take that apart. So is this one. So I've just managed to pry that open, which lets me see in here. So I think I need to take out this one, probably this one, and yeah, there's another one down there, which you can't see. That's going to be an interesting one to get to. You can see it down there, which will allow me to get the motor. That takes it off the door beam here, which I think lets me slide this arm out of the track that the window moves in. Why is this all looking a bit mangled? I think I'll fix that with a larger washer or something. I'll have to move all this silica flex as well. Somebody, oh god, it's tough stuff. Presume it was to keep the water out of the cabin. Some wiring in there, so I don't see a bolt this end. There's a bolt or two for this one down the door. And this part of it, there's one there. I'm not sure if that's part of it or not. And there's a rubber bung here in the door. I presume it's hiding another bolt, but I think that's for the lock. I'm not sure yet. So, a lot of unknowns. Alright, so I've loosened this and this and this, but that one in there, as in that one in there, I can't get a socket into it because the gap isn't big enough. I just can't get in there. Never mind getting a ratchet head on it. Can't get it from behind or in that side. Have my small 10mm spanner, but I don't know if you can see there. It literally won't fit in that, in between the two bits on either side. So I can't reach it from underneath because, well, actually, let me try that again. If I can get my hand in here. Just won't fit because of that. This bit here is in the way. There we go. Oh. Oh wait, we have a turn on it. But it won't fit the ratchet one because the gap is too small. Okay, I have it turning now. Alright. Get my hand out. Maybe I can do this one sideways. Yeah. Oh god, this is going to take an age. Alright. Just get a thumb and forefinger out, or middle finger out. Let's see if we can get it out now. The cuffs. Yep. One. Take that one out and move the motor, because I might have to move the motor so I need the battery still connected. So what's holding it? There's something left. Anything to do with that? I think it is hiding down here under there. That's why I couldn't see it. Alright, that's number 4. Alright, I'll remove that plug off the bottom of the motor. Let's see if she'll come out now. Whoa! Alright. She's heavy. So the lift arm. Actually wanted to see the other end. Is that roller still rolling? It is. Dried up grease. I'll give it more. I'm not taking that spring apart. I am just going to clean it up a little bit. It's working fine. So I'll leave that there. Now, that's one. So the next one is to get rid of the frame. So that's one there, one there. This is the door beam actually that runs from, that's what bolts to the hinges there on the inside, and it runs the length of the door, and then you have your door latch on the back of it. So that's your side impact protection. So to take the door off, you can actually, when we take off this frame, then you can undo a few other bits, and then this whole door just slides off the door frame, off the door bar. And that's how you get in here to service the pins for the doors. Right. Need to find the door frame bolts. Right. I think I have it now. If that one and that one taken out, the top one needs a nut on the back of it. The other two are loosened down the front. Now this one, I think it's this part of the lock, but I can't see. Does it go into the bottom of that in there? Don't know. Nearly afraid to loosen it, but oh no, it doesn't go in. I can see that now. Okay, let's not do that. That one's out. This needs to come off while they're stripping. Is that advisable? No. Yes, it does. All right. That one's riveted on, so that's not coming off. Okay. Bit of progress. Frame is out. What was stopping it was in behind the side view mirror cover. There's this tiny little screw going into it, and that's why it wouldn't budge. So anyway, there's the old rail. You can see it's well done now. So the new one, the window will sit into this bit and give it a new channel for going up and down. So need to get that off next. The actual frame is good. They're prone to rusting, and this one is in great condition. So you can see all the ends are good there. And yeah, that screw is hiding in under here. You can see that little, maybe you can't, in by my thumb there. There's a little hole, you can take my word for it. So yeah, so next is to get that channel off the window and the new one on. It'll take ages. It's interesting, when the original one was put in, they put this stuff called, I think it was called Solbit or something. It goes in along like a mastic type stuff, and then to get it to set, see there's wire here, and there's wire here, and you connect a voltage to it, and then that kind of melts it and gets it to form in around the channel, so that it's stuck in. I kind of had a hack at this earlier, but I think this is beyond what I want to attempt, because I'd just be afraid of breaking the glass. I might bring it to a windscreen place and just get them to do it.